What if the real reason you feel stuck after 60 has nothing to do with age? You did everything right. You worked hard, built a career, reached retirement, and yet something feels missing. I learned this before and after leaving a 30-something year corporate career. In the next 8 minutes, I will show you exactly how you can rebuild momentum again. Let's dive right into it. People think my life changed because I retired and started an online business. That's not true. Those things came later. Everything started with one habit, a habit most retirees never build. And that's why they stay stuck. Not because they lack ability, but because nothing truly changes. Have you ever felt this? This is not about me, this is about you. And whether your next 10 to 20 years become your best years or just repetition. At the end of the video, I will give you a tool that changed my life completely as a retiree, applying this unique habit. Here's the habit. You act like the person you want to become before you feel ready, before confidence, before certainty, before proof. Now, that sounds simple, but this is where most people get it wrong. They try to force it, fake it, or overwhelm themselves trying to change overnight. That's not what this is. So let's make it practical. I will walk you through 5 shifts that turn this idea into real change. Shift number 1, stop letting feelings decide. Most people act based on how they feel. If they feel confident, they act. If they don't, they wait. That's the trap, because your feelings come from your past identity, not your future. So if you wait to feel ready, you will wait forever. Instead ask, who am I becoming now? And then take one small action from that place. Not perfectly, not dramatically, just consistently. That's how change starts. This might be you right now. Let's be honest, retirement sounds great at first. Freedom, no schedule, no pressure. But after a while, something feels off. Structure disappears, purpose fades, days start blending together. I saw this coming before I retired, and I knew one thing. I had to build something new. Not because I had to, but because I wanted to stay alive mentally. Let me show you what this actually looked like for me. I started small. A lot of evenings, weekends, searching, learning, and trying a lot. And slowly my brain adjusted. This is who you are now. That's how identity changes. Not by thinking, but by doing. Shift number 2, ignore the voice that holds you back. You know that voice. Be realistic, that's not you. You have never done this before. Most people try to fight it. That doesn't work because that voice isn't the enemy. It's your past trying to keep you consistent. So here's the shift. Stop negotiating with it. Don't argue. Don't explain. Just notice it and act anyway. That's how you weaken it, not by fighting, but by moving forward without permission. Shift number 3, build proof, not motivation. Confidence doesn't come first, it comes after. Your brain doesn't care what you say, it cares what you do. So instead of asking, do I feel confident? Ask, what's the smallest step I can take today? Then do it. That's how you build proof, and proof builds self-trust. Not motivation, not hype, just evidence. Do what you say you will do. That changes everything. Shift number 4, fix your environment. Most people rely on willpower. That's exhausting. The truth, your environment controls more than your mindset. Be honest with yourself here. Your cell phone, your habits, your daily defaults, in those stay the same. You stay the same. So simplify, remove friction, decide in advance, create conditions that support your future self. This isn't discipline, it's strategy. And shift number 5, reinvent yourself quietly. Here's a mistake I see all the time. People think they need to announce the change. They don't. And this is the part nobody talks about. Real change happens in private. You don't need approval. You don't need attention. You need repetition. Here's where most people get this completely wrong. Write before you call yourself a writer. Build before you call yourself an entrepreneur. Do the work quietly. And one day people will notice. But by then, it will already feel normal to you. This habit works because it removes one thing: waiting. Waiting to feel ready, waiting to feel confident, waiting for the right moment. Instead, you act. And when your action changes, your identity follows. That's the difference. If you apply this for, let's say, 6 months, you won't just change your habits. You will change how you see yourself. You will trust yourself more, hesitate less, and move forward with clarity. Not because life got easier, but because you stopped waiting. I didn't start with a plan. I started with curiosity. For me, this became real when I decided not to let 30 plus years of experience go to waste. I knew I wanted something more, but I didn't know where to start. That's when I found a training system that introduced me to the online business world. At first I had no clear direction. Should I do business online? It sounds like pure fantasy, but as I applied this habit where my new identity took action, ideas started to appear, aligned with my experience, my skills, my interests. If you feel the same, I've left a link in the description. Take a look. No pressure. Just explore it. Now imagine where you will be 6 months from now if you apply this. Don't stop here. Watch the next video coming up here on the screen in a while. Retirement transition, how I rebuilt my life online at 62. I walk you through the 4 phases every retiree goes through. Vacation, boredom, exploration, and reinvention. Because what you feed your mind daily shapes who you become next. I'll see you in the next video.